Hi, welcome to Simple Home Magic.
Today we are making a special fish fry. Step 1. Prepare the marinade. In a plate, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 whole egg, mix everything well to form a smooth marinade. Take cleaned fish and coat it well with the prepared marinade. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes to soak up all the flavor. Take 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Coat the marinated fish evenly with the crumbs. Let it rest again for 10 minutes. Heat a pan and pour in any oil of your choice for frying. Once the oil is hot, place the fish pieces gently one by one. Fry each side for 5 minutes on low to medium flame until golden and crispy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.